Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up your order ID format inside your Shopify store. This tutorial will help you customize how your orders are labeled, which can make your store look more professional, organized, and easy to track. So let's jump right into it. The process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over to shopify.com, sign into your account, and as you can see, we're now on the Shopify admin dashboard. Once we're here, the next steps are super straightforward. Head over to the left side of the screen and scroll all the way down to find the settings option at the bottom of the menu. Click on that. Inside settings, you'll find several options, things like store details, locations, notifications, and so on. We're going to look for the general settings section. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and names, is used only for demonstration purposes. Please make sure you use your real business information when setting up your own store. Now, while staying on the general settings page, scroll down until you see something called Order ID. This is found under Store Defaults, and it's usually the third compartment from the top. Here, Shopify shows how your order IDs appear on order pages, customer pages, and customer order notifications. This ID helps you and your customers identify each order uniquely. Now, you'll notice two fields, prefix, suffix. By default, Shopify uses the hashtag number as a prefix, meaning your first order will look like number 1000 or 6001. If you want, you can customize these numbers by adding a prefix or suffix. For example, your brand initials, region code, or year. This is helpful for stores with multiple locations or different product categories. Let's say we want to add a suffix, for example, BRD for brand. So your order might look like number 1000 or 2000 BRD, or number 1001 BRD. You can also change the prefix if you want. For instance, instead of number, you could use something like ORD- or INV-. This way, your order numbers might look like ORD-1001 or INV-1002, which makes them look a bit more professional. You can modify both prefix and suffix however you prefer. For example, you could format your order numbers like 101, 1-1001, 1-1002, 1-1003, etc. Or, if you'd like to keep it clean and simple, you can just leave the prefix as a hashtag number, showing up as number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. Having a structured order ID format is very useful if you manage multiple stores under one brand, need easy order reference numbers for customer support, or use external accounting or fulfillment systems that require unique order patterns. So, customizing it now can save you time later. Once you've adjusted your format, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the page. Now, go ahead and place a quick test order to make sure the format appears exactly the way you want. And that was pretty much it. As you can see, setting up your Shopify order ID format is quick and easy, and it gives your store a clean, professional touch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future Shopify tutorials. Until next time, happy selling!